In this video, I want to show you a new BatchGuru tool, Detect Cutoff Images. This tool will detect images that have non-white pixel on the right side of the page. Let me show you how it works. I will go to BatchGuru and I'm going to go to Detect Cutoff Images tool, and I will edit a set so we could go over different options. We have a set name, we have a saved search of documents we're going to run this on, and we also have one parameter that we really need to specify here, and this is how many pixels from the right side of the page do we want to scan. We expect all pixels all the way up to on the right edge to be white. Well, we can go in just a little bit to check how many pixels are white, and if any of them are not white, this tool will trigger a cutoff detect. I suggest going with 10 pixels to start with, but being this is a brand new tool, I'm still not sure what is the best option to use. Next, I'm going to choose my destination field, which is going to be our plain text field, and this is where we're going to write letter Y or N whether a cutoff is detected. So I'm going to save this and I'm going to run it. When I come back to my saved search of documents, I see that I have one document that does not have any cutoffs and 3 documents that do. Let's take a look at them. First, I'm going to open my first document and see that in fact that it does not have any data cut off. This is a good looking document. Now I'm going to go to a next document, and what I'll see is there's this line that separates a header that goes all the way to the edge. Now I put this document in here on purpose to demonstrate that the way this tool works is it scans this right side of the image, and if it finds any pixels that are not pure white, it will trigger a cutoff warning. And in our case, we can just look at it and say this is fine, and we're just going to move on to the next document. So the obvious use of this tool is to identify documents where data may be running off the page and you need to go back and re-image this document with different settings. A few warnings. This is a brand new tool, so we'll need to experiment with how many pixels on the right we want to set as a scan. I noticed if you're doing just 1 pixel, it may not be as reliable because when the data is running off the page, it may be between 2 letters or between words. So 10 pixels may be a good number, but I'm not sure. I'm going to put it in the comments of this video as to what the latest value I feel is best, but right now it's 10. Of course, analyzing images is a CPU heavy task, so this process may take a little bit if you have a lot of documents, but it's certainly faster than doing this process manually or waiting until your client finds a problem and calls you back. Next, this tool, as it scans through all the pages, as soon as it finds a cutoff page, it will not scan any more pages and it will just flag a whole document as potentially cut off, and it's not going to waste any more time scanning pages further. There is no need for that. And lastly, being this is a CPU heavy task, you want to have BatchGuru Agent on a separate agent server so that if there are any other critical agents on your system, they're not being interfered by a CPU heavy BatchGuru task. And that's the Detect Image Cutoff tool. Let me know how it works for you, or if you found any better values to use for how many non-white pixels to look on the right side of the screen. Thank you for watching.